Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air 3 Pro from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings. Then go to the Bluetooth, and right here you need to click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Now, at the last line we have a button to unpair your earbuds. It's called Forget this device. You need to click on it and then click at the Forget device. Now we totally removed these earbuds from the device list. If you want to leave it at the device list but just stop Bluetooth connection, select disconnect. Not forget this device. After that you can put your earbuds to the charging case and close the case. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!